Hey, it's Sunday, football day. What better to eat than chicken wings? Chimichurri wings. I've got some wings here. I just dried them off with a paper towel. Seasoning, we're keeping it simple. This Baja adobo. Right, you can get this, I think, at any grocery store. Just gonna season both sides. Good healthy coat. Yeah, got this last one done. Let's get over and get our grill ready. I'm using the Grilla Alpha Connect today, using a blend of pellets. I'm going to set this temperature at 425 degrees. Cooking a little hotter to try to get that skin to crisp up. Let's get these wings over to the pellet grill. Just going to shut this lid and let the fun begin. Now let's make the chimichurri. We've got one bunch of cilantro. I did cut the ends off, so there are stems on it still. This is the parsley here, but you can see I did on both. I cut just the open stem part off, right? Here I've got half of a white onion, one red bell pepper cut up. Now I've got 1 tablespoon red pepper flakes. I've got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I've got the zest from 1 lime, 1/3 of a cup red wine vinegar. Now we're going to come in with some olive oil. I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup. We'll see if we need more, right? If you put in too much, it's kind of hard to redo that. It's always easier to put in a little less and then add some later. Here, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Gonna have a look. You can see it's ground up pretty good, but I want it just a little bit more liquid. So I think what I will do is we'll add in maybe another 1/4 cup. I'll go another. So we're gonna go with the cup of the olive oil. Get our chimichurri poured in here. Look at the color. That bowl ended up being perfect, huh? I'm going to give it a taste. I probably should have tasted it before we took it out of the blender. Oh, it is definitely yummy. It's been 30 minutes. Let's go have a look. You can see they're starting to get some color on these wings. I'm going to turn them over. They're not getting crispy yet. Let's get this lid closed. It's been 15 more minutes. Just going to take some of that chimichurri and brush it on each one of these guys. A little light coating. And this skin is starting to firm up. So I think we're making the right progress here. Let me get this door shut. It's been 10 more minutes. I'm going to turn them over. I'm just going to quickly hit up this other side. We'll let them go maybe 10 minutes, and then we're going to pull them off. They're getting about done. We've got this other side all glazed up. Let's get the door shut. You want to make sure your wings cook to at least 165. I like mine to even go up around 170, 172. Let's get them off this grill. Here's what our wings look like. Really nice color. It's time to get them off this grill. There's our wings. Got them all plated up. If you want more easy backyard barbecue videos, you might want to consider subscribing. I am going to drizzle a little bit more of that chimichurri on here. Can't go wrong with it, right? Oh, yes, sir. Flavor on them is incredible. One of my favorite flavored chicken wing recipes. I've got 2 more chicken wing videos right down below.